I am serving a God of miracles. I know, yes, I know. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen. We'll prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very, very necessary. So we all know there is no Christmas or party without ice cream. So we are making this sweet Oreo Popsicles. Very simple to prepare yet tastes amazingly sweet. Yeah, so I have just 4 basic ingredients here. I'm gonna list all in the description box together with their quantities so you check it out. So you know what, let's go. So I have half cup of hot water. I'm using this measuring cup here. So I add my milk powder, also 1 cup. So make sure you stir for it to dissolve properly. Then at this point I add my condensed milk. Christmas is all about sweet things. Yes, sweet eating things. So make sure this is sweet so that the kids, they are gonna enjoy it. So now I add my vanilla extract. You can see how creamy it appears. It's creamy and it is sweet. So our vanilla solution is ready. So at this point, I'll just break my cookies into smaller pieces. You can use any cookies of your choice. Now I fill my popsicle molds with my cookies and then add my vanilla solution to it. So for you to know, cookies are good for our health. They add a great sense of satisfaction. It helps build our bones as well. So once a while, enjoy some cookies. Hello, okay? So this is the part I love most. It's satisfying. Just looking at how it's flowing. Oh my goodness. So I fill all my molds and then straight to my freezer for about 12 hours. You can freeze it for like 6 hours, but I did this for 12 hours. So the remaining, I add some unsweetened cocoa powder just to get the chocolate flavor. So it's optional, you can use to choose any of your choice of your cocoa powder. And then I fill the remaining popsicle molds. And then here we are. So after 12 hours, this is what we have here. Creamy, beautiful popsicles. So you can see the chocolate and the vanilla with the Oreo. Yeah, very simple to prepare yet tastes great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, just give your girl a thumbs up. Kindly like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you for how far we have come. Love you. Mwah.